Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to talk about lowfruits.io. How does it work and what is it used for? So guys, to get started, you can just click on the first link in the description box below and you will be redirected to the official LowFruits website. Now first things first, let me tell you what is lowfruits.io. LowFruits is a keyword research tool that provides low competition keywords for your website. By using low competition keywords, you should rank faster on Google search engine results than if you were to use a high competition keyword. You can also go ahead and use this tool to something like youtube.com, so you will go ahead and rank higher on the YouTube search engine. LowFruit creates lists of recommended long-tail keyword ideas straight from Google, so you will be sure that the keywords suggested are being searched on Google, as well as easy for you to rank for. Who should use LowFruits? LowFruits.io is suitable for anyone looking for to improve their website's SEO, from small business owners to advanced SEO specialists. If you're looking for to rank on Google SERPs for relevant keyword to your industry, LowFruits will provide you with the low competition keyword you need to get there faster. Now, what are the benefits of using LowFruits.io? LowFruits make it easier to find crazy low competition keyword related to your seed keyword, which is one of the main reasons for this LowFruit.io review. Of course, there are other tools that you can go ahead and use to do this, but LowFruits has been designed with low competition keywords in mind, meaning you can find keywords in your niche that you can rank for quickly. One of my favorite features is that within their keyword reports, LowFruit will highlight weak spots within the same search engine listing for that specific keyword, which means that you can see keywords that have weak spots, making them easier for you to target. Now, this is really simple to use this website. First things first, you have to head to the lowfruits.io. I'm just going to leave this link on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And once inside, you want to go ahead and head over to the button called Find Your LowFruits. It will then go ahead and take you to the pricing page right here, pay as you go. For $25, you can go ahead and get 2,000 credits. Start with 10 free credits, no credit card required. For $60, you will then go ahead and get 5,000 credits, which is basically the same as the 25 credits for the free credits right here. And just to make sure that you get the best deal for this specific website, you can just go ahead and check on the description box below. I will be leaving out a discount code, so make sure to check it out. Now basically, after logging in your account, you will then be taken to your dashboards for LowFruit. In here we have a lot of tools. For example, you have reports, keyword finder, import, explorer, extract, tracker, and more. But some of these features right here required a plan, so make sure to check that out if you're really serious about growing your Google SEO. From here, to go ahead and use this website, you want to head over to the keyword finder and you want to click on the Find Keywords button. From there, it will now go ahead and take you to this page where you then have to type your keyword, the country that you are in, and lastly your language. As you can go ahead and see, you can only get 3 free searches left for this week, which will go ahead and refresh every 7 days. So let's just go ahead and type best bike for, and you want to go ahead and click on the search button. Wait for the page to load in. Right after loading, it will now go ahead and take you to this page right here where you can go ahead and see that 1,685 keywords IV have found. You can just go ahead and click on the access button and you will be able to see the results for LowFruits.io. From here, we can then go ahead and see all of the results for this keyword, which star brand is the best for bike, which engine oil is the best for bike. You can just go ahead and select on these templates right here, and once inside, You now want to click on the SERP EXTR. It will now go ahead and initiate the process, and it will go ahead and analyze this keywords for you. Now inside we then have the weak spot, which is Kawasaki brand engine oil for the best for our bikes. You can then go ahead and see your volumes right here, which is the estimated search volume per month, which is around 10. And lastly, you have the SERP difficulty store. Now if you want to analyze all of these results right here, it will then go ahead and cost you some credits, so I suggest heading over to the link on the description box below and checking out the discount code I've left on the description. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.